So it's 6:22 right now. We are jumping across this road where my coworker dropped me off. I just have to organize this bag a little bit because I have so much stuff. A nicely oiled gun. Did it last night. Stained it, and then I rub it in mineral oil with cedar in the oil. We'll see if it really does it today. Kind of stinks a little bit still, but I think we'll be all set. But the pack is all done up. We're going full bore today. We're going to take a couple drops of this. Right into the hat. We're going after the big one today. So we're right smack in the middle of this cut, a really nice cut. Shout out to Mike for letting us know about this spot. Really good place to be, really good visibility. I think that we're going to do a little rattling sequence here. I filled up the card and had to delete a bunch of footage from videos past. So we're going to keep it short and sweet and stay on the GoPro for much of the day. So this is where we were looking. That one was right on that bank there. But it's about 9 o'clock. I already dozed off once. That's what I get for coming straight off a night shift. But we're gonna pack up this backpack, jump into the woods here to our right, and try and check this beaver bog, see what's up in there. Both for trapping and just to see if anything's walking around the edge of it. Do some scouting, hunting, I guess, still hunting. Just walk around, try and jump on the other side of this strip down here. I'm suiting up. I'm gonna just book it into the woods here. This is a field where I've got access to it. I'm gonna just bring my cards, batteries, the extra GoPro, clip, a knife, that kind of thing, and just bomb off, try and cover a bunch of ground out back here. As far as I know, there's a bunch of old growth maple, that kind of thing. Really cool seeing that 4-pointer this morning. Really good to see a buck on the hoof. I haven't seen many in general. Other than the bucks I've shot, I really haven't had much time watching deer. And it's really cool to have just watched that one for a bit. So, I'm gonna ditch my backpack under this tree. Kind of made my mind up. I'm gonna go on eBay tonight and try and buy 2 of the Sony handy cams for Dawson and I, because this big camera, it's great, the quality's amazing, but it's a really cumbersome piece of equipment to be walking around in the woods with. It's hard to film. It's big and clunky. GoPros are awesome, but they're friggin' pricey, so we'll see. But I'm gonna eat some food quick and then jump off the back of this hillside and run around for a bit. Looks pretty good. Finding that scrape was nice, but we'll see what the rest of the morning holds. Yeah, 1 o'clock. We did 4.27 just now, or at least part of this loop that we've done. About halfway through that cut, my track restarted because I swiped up on the app like an idiot. So, I'm gonna call the mechanics, see what's up with the truck, and then if it's not an option, I'm gonna just go walk back into that cut and sit there probably till dark, and just chill. But if the truck's done, gotta go home, grab the trap stuff, and come and reset the coyote trap. But it was a good morning. I feel really good about passing that 4-pointer. I've had trouble doing that in the past. Like I shot a broken 5 last year on the 7th. Would have been yesterday. Today's the 8th. So I'm really glad that I passed that one up. I really want to start looking for that mature 3.5, 4.5, hopefully 5.5-year-old buck that's 200 plus and at the end of their days. So I'm gonna eat some food and figure out what I'm doing.
What an idea. Staying up for more than 24 hours doesn't do you good. We're late by a little bit. It's about 6:18, so we're a couple minutes past legal, halfway through the first half hour or so. But we are running up. We have an easier way to get into that cut we were in where we saw that 4-pointer yesterday. So we're going to try and slide into that cut and sit there until about 9. Oh, nice. Sit there until about 9 and then jump out and then run up and check the traps. So we'll catch you in the cut.
There's gotta be another deer right there. He keeps staring into the wood. Oh my fucking goodness. So we got this 4-pointer in front of us. I'm pretty certain it's the same buck. It's gotta be. Same area, same time. I gotta get my cousin Melina out here. But he keeps looking back into the woods like there's somebody else in there. Coyote number 5. Alright, so Alright, so we're walking out. Saw that 4-pointer again. Super cool. Coyote number 5. And we had a deer friggin' staring at the coyote in the trap, teasing him. So we're gonna walk out just because I don't wanna. I mean, I'd love to shoot a buck in this cut. It'd be awesome. I'm sure there's a big one running around, but I want to keep it nice and quiet. Trying not to take another shot in here. My buddy shot at a nice one in here, but there you go. It's a pretty nice track there. But I want to keep it quiet, either tomorrow morning or Thursday morning. Today's Tuesday. I'm going to try and get Melina in here, set up at like 50 yards hopefully from that ridge, shoot that 4-pointer. That would be so cool. But you know, what will happen is we sit down and that some big giant will walk out, like 12-pointer or something. That'd be awesome. Melina getting a deer trumps all of my effort to get myself a deer. I don't care what walks out. Could be the Maine state record. We'll put her in a position to shoot it, hopefully. So let's walk out, pick up that coyote, and then go get ready for the trap line. Thanks for watching. This was a quick 2-day, but let's see. Tomorrow we got Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, Friday, Saturday. So stick with it.